all the gear I have to charge before I go on a ride. 1. A shred light. 2. My other shred light. 3. My I Wonder light. 4. My GoPro battery. 5. My other GoPro battery. 6 and 7. My GoPro Max batteries, but my GoPro Max is broken, so these are superfluously charging at the moment. 8. My smartwatch, so I don't have to dig my phone out of my pocket if I get a message. 9. My remote control. 10. My skateboard. And 11. This here phone that I'm using to film the whole deal with there. So that's about 11 items that I need to charge before I go on a ride. Of course, I don't have to have all those batteries and all that stuff, but if I'm going to go out for a whole day and I'm going to do filming, I've got at least that much. That's about it. That's all I got to charge. How many things do you have to charge before you go out on a ride? Tell me down in the comments. And while you're down there, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
And until next time, always remember, ride safe, be seen, have fun.